Have you ever opened Chrome on your phone and suddenly see tab groups from your other device pop up? Chrome can actually sync and open tab group from your other devices like your laptop or tablet. This is useful but not for everyone. Let's see how to control it on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Tabs and Tab Group, and then enable or disable automatically open tab group from other devices. So if you often switch between devices and want to continue where you left off, turning this on saves time. But if you prefer a cleaner tab list on your phone, turning it off helps keep things organized. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.